Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to play Geometry Dash Acheron. Firstly, open your web browser and go to turbowarp.org. Once the page loads, you'll see a play button in the center. Click that to start the level. If you experience slowing or lag, try adjusting quality settings. Now you're ready to play. Use the spacebar or tap the screen to jump and avoid spikes. In Acheron, levels are tricky, so timing and memorization helps a lot. If you fail, hit replay or restart and try again. And if you want to restart mid-level, just press R or use the on-screen restart button if available. And that's all there is to it. Open the link, click play, adjust the quality if needed, and enjoy tackling Acheron. It's fast, fun, and challenging, perfect for Geometry Dash fans. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.